So today we're rounding decimals. So we're going to be looking at decimals with one place value, so they're with only a tenth, and we're going to be rounding up to the nearest whole number. So here are some number cards. I've got 2.9, I've got 6.3, I've got 8.4, and I've got 4.6. So I'm going to use arrows to estimate the position of these number cards on the number line. Now, number lines are great when you're rounding numbers because they help you see which number is closer to. And then you can decide you're going to be rounding up or you're going to be rounding down. So let's have a look at this first number card. It's 2.9. So I can decide where this arrow is going to go. Well, I know that 2.9 will be in between 2 and 3, but it's really close to 3. So I'm going to move my arrow and I'm going to put it right there. So it's pointing right before 3. So I can see it's closer to 3 than it is to 2. Right, so next one I got 6.3. So 6.3, this will come in between 6 and 7. Now it is smaller than 6.5, which would be the middle. So I say 6.3 will be around there. Right, now 8.4. So 8.4 will be in between 8 and 9. And it's not quite half. So it's going to come just before the halfway mark there to show that 8.4, and it's just about closer to 8 than it is to 9. And my last number here is 4.6. So that will be in between 4 and 5. Now 4.5 is the middle point there. So 4.6 will come just after the middle point. So about there. So what I'm going to do now is use these arrows, use the number line to help me complete the sentences. So one number is closer to 5 than it is to 4. Well, that is here. This is close to 5 than it is to 4, and that is 4.6. Right, my next clue is closer to 3 than it is to 2. I can see this arrow is closer to 3 than it is to 2, and that was 2.9. So I'm going to write 2.9 in there from the number card. Okay, now which arrow will help me solve this one? A number is closer to 8 than it is to 9, so that is 8.4. So I know that 8.4 rounds to 8 as a whole number. And the final one is closer to 6 than it is to 7. So that'll be this number here, and it is 6.3. So again, 6.3 is closer to 6 than it is to 7, which means to the nearest number, 6.3 would round down to 3. So you've got a very similar activity on the next slide. You've got to draw arrows to show where the number card should go, and then use those arrows to complete the sentences that come with it.